Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in this session we will have understanding of how to count results in Splunk and insert that data into a table. Let's get started with one of the index we have with the latest data and getting the statistics count by requests. So the required data we are getting in statistics are these. So we have these many type of requests and their count mentioned on the right side. So what does these requests are? These are actually the response code of each request. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to rename the fields count as number of requests, since this particular count is number of requests, and requests as response code, because these are the response code we are getting for each and every request came from user. Okay, so 200 code for 204, 302, 304, 400. So these are the response codes for each and every request hit by the end users. So let's search this once again. Field name has been changed as per our request from by a rename function. So response code are these and these are number of requests. Okay, to insert that into a table we need to click on new table. You will get the new table data set opened here. So these are the fields available on the left side. Whatever you want to get the data, you can select those. If you click on response code, you will get all the response codes and then number of requests. Click on done. This is how the rows looks like. Summarize field. So you are getting match type 100%, match type 100% for both the particular fields. Preview rows, and there are various options available on the top. You can sort those on ascending order or descending order, and then you can save this particular table. So this is how the table looks like. You can give the table title request response code and save it. So your table has been created. Explore the data set. So you can see the request response code looks like this. You can click on last 60 minutes and the data will be getting populated here. Okay, that's how you can count the results in Splunk and insert into a table. Thank you.